Now let's go over the part 2. Okay, in this we will work with the AWS Systems Manager, and we will run the shell script, and we will also mount the EFS system. Let's jump into the AWS console. Okay, we are on the AWS console, and these are 2 instances which we launched. Now get into the Systems Manager, where we have AWS Systems Manager, and then click on the Managed Instances. And we have these 2 EC2 instances which we launched coming here. So we can check very well whether we are able to SSH into these missions. We can say, click on this start a session. Yes, we can successfully start a session using one of these EC2 instances. Great. Then let's now run the commands. So we are mounting the EFS now on these 2 EC2 instances. Okay, that can be achieved by clicking on actions and run command. And here we have to provide this AWS run shell script. So click on that, search for it, and then you have that. So here provide this command, next command. So this is the shell script command. I will explain about it. So we are getting into EC2 instances like var www. This is the path where we are installing the EFS, and this is my file system. So this file system is the one which we created in our first part 1. Let's go to our EFS file system and get the that file system name. So this is my EFS, and this is my file system name. So here, if you go here, that is the file system which we are mounting. So this is the sudo mount t. This is the type of the file system EFS, and TLS means transport layered secured communication protocol, which we are encrypting, and this is the file system we are giving, and this is the path, the mount path where we are mounting this, and that's all pretty much. And here choose instances, how many instances you want to install this one. So this EFS you need to mount, so that we can say. And if you have any bucket to, in case if it goes in error, you can give the bucket where the errors will be logged here. I'm giving the bucket name, and let's execute this. Run. So we'll wait for a couple of minutes until the execution. So it is successful. That means the file system is mounted. Let's verify this, whether the actual file system mounted or not. So how do you verify? You can go to the main instances, and you can go to the sessions, the starter session, and here sudo su, and you can go to cd var www html folder, and here you can see mount. So this is the file system which it is mounted. If you look at this, this is NFS file system. So this is what. So it is mounted on this EC2 instance. You can also give df-h, where you can very well see that it is mounted on this path. Now what we can do is present working directory. Let's click on that. So we will create one web page. Okay, welcome to EFS file system on AWS. Okay, so HTML. Okay, so we are actually, what we are doing is we are creating the web page on this. So let's look at. So now this web page is active. So we created it on one of the EC2 instances. Okay, but this is a shared file system, then it will applicable for both the EC2 instances. Let's verify that one. Okay, go to EC2 instances, and then EC2, and running. Look at the IP address of this. So this one is this one. You just type it here. See, welcome to EFS file system on AWS. Okay. Similarly, you can take the other instance, IP address, public IP, and then click on. So see, so we updated in one EC2 instance, since the file system is the shared file system. So the same update is coming into 2 web servers. So that's all about it. And you can make one more small change if you like it. Again, if you go and update this file, this particular index.html, welcome to EFS file system on AWS. You can say welcome to EFS file system. That's it, simple. And immediately it will get update here, right? You see, welcome to file system, and here also. That is the beauty of this EFS file system. And thank you so much. You learned how you can mount EFS file system on multiple EC2 instances using the systems manager. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, you can watch this. If you like it, you give a thumbs up and you subscribe for it, and you look forward more videos from us. Thank you so much.